Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. My name's David. Ninette's back there, and we got some friends with us too. Let's see if I can figure this out. We got over here on this one side. Is that the right side? We're looking at it different in the camera. So we got Joe and Lynn, and then we got Mike and Joey. They're from Our Mobile Backpack. I got to quit moving the camera around. YouTube channel, so check them out. And we got Roberta next to them. And then we got Ninette, and then you guys also know Todd and Ann. You've seen them on our channel a few times. So
no channel. And we're from SkyMed.
They're from SkyMed. They don't have a YouTube channel. They have a health channel. Is that how it works? So hey, what's this place called?
Dirty South Barbecue.
Dirty South.
Dirty South Barbecue, and it's right next to the Bridge to Nowhere and the smallest chapel you'll ever see. So we're gonna go check out the food first though. We're gonna go eat and see how this is. All right, we have come in the door here. We got a little bit of a area here, this shop here. It's a little bit of everything in here. Just keeps on going here.
Reebone sampler it is. That's what we call it.
Here is the menu. A little bit of everything here.
You know what pork belly is?
And
bacon.
what their prices
So
are.
it's bacon, but not salty. Right.
So how long has this business been here?
This business has been here for 5 years now.
About 5 years?
Yes.
And you've been cooking that whole time?
I've been here for just over a year and a half now.
And they don't give you any breaks?
Me, no. Everybody else, yes. Me, no.
Oh, is that? Oh, well, the food's looking really good, so we're really excited to eat it. So, do we have any questions for him? What's your name, by the way?
I'm Jason.
Jason.
I'm the second in command cook.
Second in command cook.
Head cook's off on the weekends, so I'm in charge on the weekends.
Oh, hey, all right. Well, this is the
Like I
perfect
said,
time.
Never trust a skinny cook. That's why.
Ooh, hush puppies. Oh, look at that half rack of ribs. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. And your sauce. More sauce and another fork.
You want another fork? Oh.
Give me a fork. Look at how tender that is.
Yeah. Woo. The meat's really good. We have hush puppies too. Maybe I'm not a big fan of hush puppies, but I mean they taste fine. But
they're
what's the mac and cheese like? Oh.
It's homemade.
Oh.
Oh, it varies up in the Bay Area.
It's mac and cheese. Looking good. Oh, well, that was really good. Hey, was that really good, you guys?
No, we have to come back.
No, it was better than good.
Oh, it's better than good?
Better than good.
Okay. Where's Todd? One thing that we got to make a note here, Todd.
There was no beer in my hand.
They do not serve alcohol.
So they're.
But you can bring your own alcohol. That's the only
Yeah.
thing that you can actually bring in is you can bring your own alcohol. You can't
Yeah.
bring any other drinks or food in, but if you have alcohol, you can bring it in.
Yeah. We could have done that, Mike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing we should also note here is that this is a Harvest Host. So if you do have a Harvest Host membership, you can come out here and park. We've got a rig back here behind us. And so you can come out here and park for a night for free. And you just come in here and frequent the place, you know, which is not very hard to do because it's a good place to be. To the side of this place is a pretty cool bridge here. We call it the Bridge to Nowhere, but it's got a real name. I just don't know what it is. So we're gonna just take a little gander here at it and just see what it's all about. So you can see it right there. It's this road. The road runs right next to the restaurant here. So right between it and the field. And we're just gonna walk right up to this bridge and check it out.
This road used to be Highway 95. So this is where it used to go, and it went across this bridge. As time went on and cars got bigger and heavier, The bridge was unstable. They actually diverted Highway 95 to where it is now, and so that left this bridge going to nowhere.
So bridge is closed. Now, there is a shooting range just to the left of us here, just over this hill. So we'll might hear some shooting going on a little bit. There is bees here. Oh, it is really windy. Wind coming through this little canyon right there. Nice view of the valley. We have gone around to the other side of the bridge. So now we are on the back side. This isn't all blocked off as bad as the other side was. So we're gonna walk up here to the fence. Todd's already up there. Here is the river. You can see water right down there. And they really do not want anybody on this bridge. You can tell it is all blocked off. What was the name of this bridge, Mike?
McFall.
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 So this is the McFall Bridge. We call it the bridge to nowhere. When you're driving down the highway, it's just sitting out here. It just kind of seems like it's sitting out here in the middle of nowhere. And the barbecue place is right on the other side of that mountain right there. So that's where we were walking up alongside there, and we could hear shooting. We were hearing the shooting from right back over there. This was built in 1928?
Yeah, this was built in 1928.
Wow, look at these anchors. Boy, the wind is howling here.
Oh, look how many of them.
Oh, wow.
Wow. That's what that is, just all those little.
It's just
little cables.
little cables.
No, it's cables. Look at all the little cables. The whole thing. Yeah, it's all these
Yeah, wow. It's all covered to keep it from rusting, but it's still rusting. Wow. You can see the cables right in here.
That one's open. Is this one open?
Wow. Make those big cables that go right up over the top of that bridge. It's actually pretty amazing how they engineered things before. 1928. Look at those cables coming in right there. So right straight ahead out there is the smallest little church. So we're going to go over there and check that out as we are driving out away from the bridge. This is the smallest chapel ever. So we're going to check it out. Really windy here, but we're going to go inside. Oh, look at this. It's actually a lot bigger inside than you would think it was. Not so loud. Okay, that's it. You can't sing anymore. So let's see. There's how many? 2, 4, 6, 8 of us. 9 of us. 9 of us in here right now. That's pretty good. Full house. You don't even have to heat it. It's already getting hot in here.
So if you ever want to get married,
just call me up. I can come over.
Oh yeah, that's right. Joey from Mike and Joey's Backpack. Is that what your YouTube channel is?
It's Our Mobile Backpack.
Oh, Our Mobile Backpack. I keep messing that up. Anyway, she's a minister, so there you go. She can marry you. You could get married in this little chapel. Okay, our daughter's getting married. She wants to elope. This would be the perfect size. Okay, well that finishes this video. So thanks to all of our friends. We had to have them on the video just so you guys know we do have a couple other friends. But actually we have a lot of friends with you guys that we go and see all around the country. And we are leaving here this next week. So this is our last little outing together. This was kind of like our big hurrah, right? Yeah.
Oh, I was happy about it.
Yeah, I was going to say, they're saying hurrah that they're getting rid of us.
We love you, David.
Oh, okay. Anyway, it's been a lot of fun, so thanks for coming along with us today. Hope we'll see you down the road somewhere, and if not, it'll be on our next video. So you guys take care. Bye.